Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this dark chocolate coconut bliss. This was on sale at my local grocery store and I'm super excited to try it because I've never tried this one before. So this is 100% plant-based, and let me show you the ingredients. As you can see, it is kosher, gluten-free, and vegan. So, and if you guys want to read this, pause the video. It does have quite a bit of sugar, so just be careful of that. It's got coconut milk, agave syrup, and some cocoa. So, alright, let's do a quick taste test. See if it is worth picking up. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's not bad. It's okay. I sort of like the other one better. The other one I tried was the So Nice version. I think that was better. There's actually chunks of chocolate and stuff like that in there. This one doesn't really have it. It's just melded in. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.